Hello everyone, welcome back to 1 Million Nadish YouTube channel. If you are here, you are probably looking to cancel your subscription on Elevenlabs. Whether you are looking to cut down on expenses or just no longer need the service, I am here to guide you through the process step by step. It's super important to know how to manage your subscription effectively so you can keep your finances in check and avoid unwanted charges. So let's dive right in. First, I'll show you how to navigate the Elevenlabs website, find your account settings, and then walk you through the cancellation process. Now let's get started. Okay, one thing is very important, that before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest updates. Now let's begin the tutorial. Okay guys, you just need to go to elevenlabs.io website, and then you have to sign in your account, and right after signing in, you will see page or something like this. This is your home page. Okay, so you have to be on your home page, and then you just need to just look at here on your left sidebar. As you can see here, you have the account option, notification, and credit quota, and everything is here, as you can see. So you just need to click on the upgrade. As you can see, upgrade option here, as you can see, upgrade. So from here you just need to click down, just scroll down. So scroll down and check which one subscription you are in. As you can see, my subscription is for the creator. As you can see, you have the option right there, cancel subscription. Okay, you can either downgrade if you do not like this. If you think that this is very expensive and you don't need the extra features on your subscription, then you can simply downgrade your plan. Or even if you think that you can upgrade, so if you're planning to upgrade or downgrade, then you don't need to cancel the subscription. You can just downgrade from here directly, or upgrade here, or you can upgrade the other plans they have. Okay, so if you have planned that you need to cancel, you no longer want to use it, then you can simply click on the subscription, and then from here the message prompt up like this: are you sure you want to cancel? Your access to these features will be lost at the end of the month. Okay, that's really great. Even if you cancel, you can still use some of the feature and all your credits. So this is a really good option. I really like this one. So now let's click the proceed, and then finally let us know why you are canceling. This will help us serve you better in the future. So you can select any one of them, like missing language, I found a better alternative, price too high, whatever. In my case, price is too high, so I'll just click on the price too high, and then you can select other options as well, or even difficult to use, whatever you want. So, and then click on the cancel subscription, and then now as you can see, your plan is canceled. Now they will no longer charge you. But in case guys, you have changed your mind that you want to continue, then you still have time. So like my plans will be renewed. My subscription will be, as you can see here, the subscription will be cancelled in 24 days. So you still have the 24 days to decide whether you want to continue or not. You can simply click on the resume subscription, and then you can resume and continue it. But guys, if you don't want to resume, then let it be. After the 24 days, it will be cancelled. Okay, and after cancelling it, you can simply go to the billing info. As you can see here, go to the billing info, and then after going to the billing info, you have to come here, because you make sure that your payment methods are removed. Okay, because it's very private. So just come up here and then click here. As you can see, make a default and delete option. So right now the delete option is not showing up here, as you can see. So right now the delete option is not showing up here. What you need to do is, after the cancellation, okay, after the 24 days, you have to come up here again. After your subscription is permanently cancelled, you come up here, and then you will be able to delete your payment method. Okay, so this is how you can do it. I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.